Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have our 2018 Toyota RAV4, and we're going to go over on how you would remove the window to be able to get to remove the window regulator. If your window regulator is not functioning properly, you're going to hear a bunch of clicking noises in it. Might be just moving up and down not very smoothly. Window regulator is one of the first things that's going to be going bad. The regulator or the motor, you buy them typically both together, motor and regulator at the same unit, for cheaper than just buying the metal components of the regulator. So that's really a good option to go, is just buy the whole thing. So to start with, we have removed the inner door panel. This window here for the window itself. Before we removed the door panel, we actually lowered it down, or made sure that this was in between 3 to 4 inches. So it's sitting at about 3.5, because that way it gives us access to the points. We can undo the bolt that holds the window on the front and the bolt that's going to hold the window on the back, so that we can remove this window without having to hook anything back up and raise and lower the window. So if you do that before you remove the door panel, of putting the glass at about 3.5 inches, anywhere between 3 to 4 inches, you'll be able to do all this without having to do any other things. So we've got that door panel has been removed. Now we need to pull back this plastic cover to be able to access the bolt here. And so we'll pull that back. And it's just this sticky glue that holds this into place. And we want to try to keep it slightly intact so that So that's enough just to access the bolt here, and then we just pop this cover to access the bolt there. But you'll pop this cover here, and we've got a size 10 bolt in right here. And with that bolt removed, now we can pull this window out. And so you're going to pull it and angle it down on the front, and then just pull it the rest of the way out. So that's how you remove the window on your 2018 Toyota RAV4. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.